Welcome to Nerd Digital Brew. Hi guys, I'm going to talk to you today about some advanced Google search tools. And these are tools that most people don't know about, but really could use from time to time. So the first thing you got to know is you've got to get to an original Google page to access these. As you can see, this is a customized page for me. So I'm going to actually just go and pull up to original Google for today, which features this same icon, but you'll know you're there on a page that's not customized for you when you see along the bottom all of these tools, including on the right, privacy, terms, and settings. We're going to take a look under settings and advanced search. So when you get this page, here's what's really unique. Google will look for content based on your region where you are currently located. It does that to try to help customize a search and bring you information based on where you are. But there's going to be times where you're going to want to find content not based on where you are, but where you would like to be. So I'm going to show you how to actually use an advanced search. So let's say I'm going to look for information about global warming. And statistics. So I'm going to find some global warming and statistics not focused or originated or delivered from the United States. Okay, so I've got here, I can add more phrases, specific words, and I can even give specific content as for ranges of information. But I can choose the language that my information comes back in. So I'm going to choose English. But when it comes to region, I want to see what kind of statistics are being generated in Sweden. Because Sweden is known for its ability or its climate initiatives. And so I want to see what they've got to say or what kind of information they're producing. So I'm almost there, guys, almost there. There it is. So I'm going to look for the region, and I'm going to look for information that's current within the past week. I can even specifically look for a site within a site. I can look for terms that appear anywhere on the page. That's what I want. I can even restrict certain sites if they bring me advanced or inappropriate content. I can determine what kind of file I would like, just as if we were writing a file type, specific search string. And I can actually filter based on rights. Now I'm going to click Advanced Search. And if you noticed, it's going to bring me content. And all of the content is going to come from Sweden. So for example, this website is going to have, there it is, World Forum on Climate Justice, and it's going to have climate facts and information that's recent from Sweden itself. This can be really important if you're trying to find research about a specific area or from a specific content area. That's a great example. Here's also a great tool within Chrome. I'm going to show you what an Incognito Window is. So under Chrome, I'm going to go to File, New Incognito Window. When I do that, my window is going to change. You notice I've got this little symbol up here. It's got a little man with a hat and glasses, looks like. And what happens is now when I'm in incognito, Chrome won't actually save my browsing history, cookies, or data. But the websites I visit will be able to identify me. If I'm using a school computer with my specific data, it will be able to see it. And my ISP, my internet service provider, will also be able to trace it. But what's really nice about using an incognito window, besides that it won't record my data, is if I have, let's say, multiple accounts. I've got an account in Google Chrome, I'm logged in, and I want to log into a separate Chrome Google ID. I can do that without messing up or cross-pollinating my content and therefore messing up my passwords or having it identify my drive folders. I mean, it's a really handy tool if you're doing something like that. And that's called using your incognito window. That's it for the end of today. Have a good one.